Alright. This is part 2 of the weekly review. I already did part 1, which was just like on forex pairs. So this one is gonna be on futures. Mainly, I might tap a little crypto. Yeah. So right now, let's get into the DXY. I mean, before we start, disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. This is all for educational purposes. So please do your own research and have your own understanding about the foreign exchange markets and know the risk before putting real money into it. So, dollar. Last week, we wanted high prices. This week started. We got those high prices, more high prices. So this week, I still want to see higher prices, deeper into this fair value gap. I think it's monthly. Yeah, monthly fair value gap. Tap there. Because last week we did this tap, but we're not even at the 50%. So she got more work to do. Thanks. 18 days left in the month. So we definitely might get higher prices into that. Then see lower prices. Yeah, but I want price to at least tap this order block. I have denoted right here. It's the weekly order block, which is within the 60 days look back. So within the next, it's been 30 days. So within the next 60 days, we should see price here. No, or 20 days. It should not take that. But yeah. So I want to see for the dollar coming up. So start of the week, might open lower to trade above. This is just for the price might just stop here, and then pay this next week, and then shoot up. But hey, who knows? All right, let's get into the thank you. Quick review from last week. We said, yeah, this is what it was. If you don't believe I said all this last week, you can go back to the previous video, my very first YouTube video, and see for yourself what I said and where price was at on Sunday, the 4th. That's when the video was recorded. Yeah, I said start of the week, I'm looking for lower prices. I'm not even gonna pay attention unless we get tapped into this. Was it 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour CE of that wick. And look what happened. Price traded lower to the 1 hour CE of that wick. And then, boom, you could execute it. Shit on me. Did execute. But look what I capitalized on. Just a quick little small 1 to 4. I mean, 1 to 49. But, yeah, let me show you what I saw. Get back here. should have replayed it, but it's not that deep. Here's just a quick review of what was seen last week. Started that morning, yeah, like around 9 till I saw. Yeah, I thought this was the raid right there. That was starting London, so we got buy side got taken. Man, we need to sell something. I think I took this around the afternoon. Okay. So I think it was 1 minute, but you can see here 5 minute had this fair value gap that got inverted. So price respected it by trading above, and it had an order block here on the 1 minute. Traded above the order block, came back, respected the traded away from it, and then came back, respected it again. Entry was right there. Boom. I got one in price because one two took sell side. It's going back to buy side during the lunch hour. Lunch hour is the great choice of the reversal. Then I tried some more buys here because I thought it was gonna be the continuation around 3 to 4. I even said it in the group. I can pull it up in a little bit. Yeah, I was like, okay, if this fails, I managed this so crazy, like, cause I just wanted to get that back, cause I was like, okay, lost this shit, and then took this one off of the absorption of that and respect of this. On a lower time frame, I think it was an inversion for rally gap. Who knows? And then the respect of the CE of this wick. Took that buy, put a stop loss right there, came back, took me out quick. I think it was up here. It took me up here. I know I had it over here. But hey, got that +1 back. But this could have been, I was gonna price right here. Little 2.5 locked in already. Then would have got stopped out. Yeah, around late. At least +4 missed again. But who cares? Now I said I want price to trade lower. I had this denoted here because I think it was the fair value. Oh no, that's the tracement. See, it got to OTE, optimal trade entry, and then that's when I started looking for buys. You see, I was not trading here when it was doing all this selling and shit movement because it's not really clear and concise. And what time was it even this? Yeah, I don't even be trading London session like that. If I was no, I'm not even gonna say anything. I would see one, two, but then that would have been medium. So yeah, sales have happened a lot in the morning after, but I was not trading until near the afternoon, trying to catch the reversals, lunchtime reversals and whatnot. This one got me tight, absolute monster, and I closed it because I thought the price was gonna keep playing though. I was like, okay, let's get this sprayed buddy. Oh, goodness. That entry was madness, dude. Okay, let's go to. You can see when I started looking at her. I was looking 10 to 11 silver bullet. Boom, 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 boom. Didn't really get it. So, yeah. Got the macro going. Yeah, 950 to 1210 micro. Didn't really get nothing there. And then we got the first eye correction. No, eye. Okay. If it starts building it up, we in this bitch. But I did take this one because I was just anticipating it, but managed it real tight. Got liquidated out for +3, 344, I believe. And then we had this around the afternoon. Yeah, this is the one, yeah, 113. And something around them. Then this is the 3 to 4 buy that I was talking about in the group. I also saw because that morning I wanted to see this buy side that I left. Took 4 break evens here. I didn't even see that. So yeah, I wasn't trading alongside this. Then I was trying to catch some buys here. This was the 10 to 11 macro. Didn't catch nothing, but I didn't lose nothing. All break evens. Then 3 a.m. Since you know I don't trade London, this got me tight. I was up during this London session. I was like, let me see if I can just trade it. I want to see price get into here. When I got up, it was like 2 a.m. Yeah, right here to do this. So price traded above. We're gonna see higher prices. Price did trade above. So, and then fell to make a new low. Traded above. I was gonna buy stuff. Niggas didn't buy stock, nothing. I don't trade London. Wow. That's why that trade got me upset. And it would have been. You don't look at the couldn't put us. Morning session was here. Should have took this. Try to capitalize on this. But yeah. Now this week quick review for this week. Still she's at an all-time high, but we want higher prices. But before we get those higher prices, price should be back into here, around that area, or lower. Take last week's lows out. Yeah, because see last week's lows get taken, but this felt rather good. Also, yeah, I need to clear my charts. Alright, this is the review for next week. Daily, we have this, a daily, but that's pretty low, and we're just buying right now. That's what I see. Hold on to the 1 hour. Last week's lows were here. Wednesdays. Yeah, last week's lows were all around here. So if we were to get lower prices to there, the CEOs get taken, but I doubt it. Kind of at all-time highs, and I think we're just gonna keep buying. So yeah, let me see, yeah, full out. Since this is here, I see that prices to the prices for next week. Very, very possible. Because she's respecting all of these. Respected. Poke above. Yeah. So that's what we can expect for NQ. Moving on. Yes. Yeah, still higher prices. Last week I didn't trade her, did I? Yeah, I did. It was a roller coaster week. Last week start. Second. Fifth. Here we go. Oh no, I didn't. The previous week, it was all chop, and I got tight. Not holding that long. But hey, didn't really trade her. But this coming week, expect lower prices. Possibly aim for these equals from last week. And actually trade above to new highs. Throw on a fib. Yeah. Should be sell side right there. Liquidity right there. But there's also this liquidity that she could also want to take because whichever is at a premium, the closest premium array would be this one. So they could just aim for this one and then just shoot up. But OTE says here. So I like waiting for the OTE. It's bigger moves, but we don't usually get that. If you want me to show you some examples of OTE, just look. OTE, what's there? Loading. So, even here, if you take that leg up, even here, if you take that leg up, and it's truly everywhere. UFSLs, if you take this leg down, OTE, cell starts right here, take this leg to this leg. I don't give you really an OTE, but yeah, OTE projection. You saw, like, just notice, like, I put this here, right? If you did that prior and you got this entry right here, where would you be getting out? This green line that it has projected there, and where did price really trade to? Oh my goodness. Random. Now, so this week, if you're patient enough to wait for price to get down here, why can't you be patient enough to let price trade until here? Because OTE says that's the projected level it's gonna trade to. Just look how it moved. This low to this high. Waited for price to get here. Shit. Now some sauce that I'm just dropping this week. Expecting just higher prices because all last week at the end we got lower prices, but yeah, I need to clear this chart too. But so I'm gonna go for last week first. I want to see that look that's taking. Just gonna get clear. Out here too. Friday I tried to catch along, didn't really happen. Took it up. Had an amazing push up, but I didn't really go anything, nothing. Then came back to break even. But let's start on the beginning of the week. Where did we start? It was that? It was beautiful. 2 weeks ago. Sunday, we started Monday. Monday, we had this July -1 on here. Load it. -1. And we had this break even, beautiful break even here. Which came back. Break even. I don't know, I think I did partial. I guess I did. My fucking phone. So even if I did get anything, it don't matter. I didn't really show it on the group. So the ones that I have noted, those ones that I dropped in the group, but these ones I don't. These ones that I just take freehand and then I'll mark it up after. But yeah, I was wanting probably should take these prices right there after taking this lower price 9 a.m. afternoon session. And then we tried on 4 p.m. and try to catch that run up at 3. Didn't trade it right here. So manipulation there. And that was the manipulation layer, expansion, so consolidation, manipulation, expansion, or impulse, correction, impulse, goodness. So when we had this first impulse right there, got a correction, then you wanna catch the next impulse. Is that so hard? So this was Wednesday. As I just explained, we had this impulse, we had a nice correction, and then I just see us this entry here. It's candle, but it was probably in the 1 minute. Got a nice 1 to 4, 1 to 5.2, and then tried again. PM session for continuation, break even. It was nice. Tried morning, next day, no trades. Afternoon, I should have seen this. Like, this is what I had denoted, but I was on 1 minute when I was watching this. It didn't really look like it was gonna hold, so I missed out on this. But it's cool. And yeah, Friday tried, did good, and came back and break even. So it was not going to cool. Steady, yes. Gold. Yeah, I want higher prices, but right now I should not looking too favorable for that. Yeah, last week I did catch a few trades on her. Beginning of the week mostly. Monday, 9 a.m. caught a break even and then a +4. This was a break even. This should have at least, I should have at least partialed here. I would have had +3 locked in, but didn't matter. Took this, ended up closing here, but this shit ran to a fucking whopping 1 to 11 around there, 1 to 10 or whatever. But I ain't mad with the 144. Let's talk CL real quick. I'm not trying to keep this longer than 30 minutes. Last week, yeah, try to short it. None worked out. None worked out. Break even, break even, break even. I was like, okay, screw you. Did I even get an entry? I don't think I traded that. It just looked so shitty. So bad. Then it exploded. Exploded! I think I seen this Friday up. I didn't even interact with that bitch. But yeah, that's my forecast for the week. Hold on, I'm missing one. RT. Ah, RT1. Beginning of the week, I wanted to see how it breaks to here. It almost got there, so who's to say we don't just tip out, boom, 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 take them out at the start of the week. Then trade over to fucking hell. But yeah, that's my weekly forecast for the coming week. I'll cut this one here too, because I don't like keeping these long. I can have hours long material, but it's like why when you could just be short and concise and to the point. People usually just here for the signals or for the what's happening this week. They don't really care about niggas just talking and yapping about other stuff. But let me know if in the comments if I should do more educational or just keep doing the reviews and forecasting that I've been doing. But till next week, good luck and happy trading.